Good morning children. Today we are going to start Standard 6 Subject GK Chapter 7 Green Days. What is Green Days? Green Days is an event that helps to make school sustainable. It will inspire pupils and colleges in your school to learn about climate change and how relates to the buildings and space around them. Green Day is fun way to learn. Now in this chapter, some days are here and dates are here. B column. Here A column and B column. Match the following. We match day to date. Here are day. Which day? Special day, Green Day. So, International Polar Bear Day. Second, World Water Day. World Sparrow Day. International Tiger Day. World Elephant Day. International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. World Ocean Day, Earth Day, World Tourism Day and World Environment Day. Now here are date and months. We match A column with B column. So first, International Day. So which date we match in this column? International Day, August 12, April 22, June 8, 27 September, September 16, February 27. So one is matched with F, February 27. So we write here one number. We match International Polar Bear Day with B. So here write we one number. Now second, World Water Day. So which day that we match? World Water Day. World Water Day on March 22. So we write here 2 number. World Water Day, March 22. Now third, World Sparrow Day. So which day we match? World Sparrow Day. So March 20. We match with 3 to G. Here write we number 3. Now number 4. International Tiger Day. What date? International Tiger Day. So on July 29. So we write here 4 number. July 29. 5. World Elephant Day. So which date on day World Elephant Day? So A, August 12. We write here 5 number. World Elephant Day on August 12. Now next, International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. So this day is on which day? So September 16. So here we write 6 number. Okay. Now next 7. World Ocean Day. So Which date on this day? World Ocean Day. Here C. So we write here 7 number. June 8. June 8, the World Ocean Day. Now 8 number, Earth Day. So which date on Earth Day? So Earth Day April 22. So we write here 8 number, April 22, Earth Day. Now 9 number, World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day. So which date on World Tourism Day? D number, 27 September. On 27 September, World Tourism Day. In last, World Environment Day. So which day in this day? 5 June. So we write here 10. Now sorry, here is 9 number. On 20 September, which day? World Tourism Day on 20 September. So dear students, we match with A column with B column. We read again. International Polar Bear Day, February 27. Now World Water Day. So World Water Day March 22. 3. World Sparrow Day. So World Sparrow Day on March 20. Now 4 number, International Tiger Day, July 29. World Elephant Day, August 12. International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. So September 16. World Ocean Day. So June 8. Earth Day. Earth Day April 22. World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day on 27 September. World Environment Day June 5. So students, you understanding? Now chapter 11, Nobel Prize winner 2019. So what is Nobel Prize? Nobel Prize is a set of annual international award bestowed in several categories by Swedish and Norwegian institutions of recognitions of academic, cultural or scientific honors. The Nobel Prize is widely regarded as the most prestigious award given for achievement in various fields. Here are some awarded given some person. The prestigious 2019 Nobel Prize for Economics was awarded jointly to trio for their experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. So, in this award, group trio means given 3 persons. For economics approach to alleviating global poverty. Economics was awarded jointly to the trio for experimental approach to alleviating global poverty, and the person are first Abhijit Banerjee, Esther Dulfo and Michael Greener. So these three persons given awarded for economics experimental approach to alleviating global poverty. Now second prize, the Nobel Prize for Literature was backed by one for 2019 and one for 2018, because the prize was not awarded last year. So student, in 2018, that year is prize is not awarded. So the prize given 2019. So this year two prize given. So the person Olga Tokarczuk 2018 and Peter Handke 2019. So this prize is for literature. Now number 3. The 100th Nobel Prize for Peace has been awarded to the Ethiopian Prime Minister for his efforts toward peace and international cooperation. This award given only one person. This award is particularly given to honor one person, Abiy Ahmed Ali, for his efforts towards peace and international cooperation. Now, 4 number. 2019 Nobel Prize was awarded jointly to this trio for their work on how cells sense and adapt to oxygen availability. Now, this award also given 3 persons for their work on how cells and adapt to oxygen availability. So students, the 3 persons are 2019 is Sir Peter J. Radcliffe, William G. Callen Jr. and Greg L. Semenza. Now 5 number. The 2019 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. This prize given 2019 for subject chemistry has been awarded to the trio for scientists for the development of lithium-ion batteries. The awarded given for lithium-ion battery. These 3 scientists created the right condition for a wireless and fossil fuel-free society, and so brought the greatest benefit to humankind. In this award, the humankind is greatest benefit. The fossils and fuel-free society. They have fuel-free society, and the person is 3. In this award given 3 persons also. John B. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham and Akira Yoshino. 6 number. The Nobel Prize in Physics 2019 was awarded for contributions to our understanding of the evolution of the universe and Earth's place in the cosmos, with one half to these Canadian American physicists for theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology, the other half jointly to Swiss scientists for the discovery of an exoplanet orbiting a star similar to Sun. This awarded given 2019 and subject physics for contributions to our understanding of the evolution of the universe and other Earth's place in the cosmos, with one half to this Canadian American physicists for theoretical discoveries in physical cosmology. The other half jointly to Swiss scientists for the discovery of an exoplanet orbiting a star similar to Sun. This award also given 3 persons. So, first James Peebles, Michael Mayor and Didier Queloz. So, students, you understanding this chapter Nobel Prize winners 2019, which award given 2019, subject physics, chemistry, literature and etc. So, you learn this year award and other year awarded. You find out in any book Nobel Prize winners person. So, our chapter finish.